Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Adobe is once again out with updates to its Elements programs, Photoshop Elements for still images and Premiere Elements for video. And both feature more AI and features that are much easier and less expensive than Adobe's flagship software aimed more at professionals. A bundle of both Photoshop and Premiere Elements 2022 is priced at about $150, still an investment, but if you've been taking lots of photos and videos like so many of us, you'll be amazed at what Adobe allows you to do with your creations. And if you're on the fence, you can try before you buy. Both products have modes that are labeled Quick, Guided, or Expert, and it can be fun to keep discovering new features whether you're turning photos into works of art, creating slideshows, or videos ready for the big screen in the family room. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.